Hello, my name is John Rohde. I've been coming to Revitalize for 4 months now. Basically, I'm doing hormone replacement, testosterone pellets. I was going to a clinic that I got shots from twice a week. Went there for about 1.5 years. Basically, it worked at the beginning, but after a while, it just did not do anything anymore, and I didn't feel as good. Plus, also going 2 times a week to the same place gets a little monotonous. What I found with the pellets, it made it a lot easier. I come in, they take care of the pellets, they put them in, depending on how many you need. And basically everything's taken care of. All your labs are taken care of. If you need extra shots or anything else to boost you up, they will give them to you. It's been very nice. Basically, how I found out about this, Revitalize, is through my wife. And we've been married for 30 years. And during those 30 years, there's been a lot of ups and downs. And to basically keep on going and have the marriage keep interesting in a sexual manner and a closeness manner, you sometimes need some help, especially at my age of 58. And my wife went in first, and she basically had everything done to her. They took tests on her and figured out what she needed so far as hormones. And after they put her pellets in, plus took care of all the hormones that she needed to have boosted or replaced, things got a lot better with her. And basically what happened is I couldn't keep up with her, which is a good thing. And basically we came up with no man left behind. So basically I was not going to be left behind, and she told me to come in and have a consultation. Now at first I felt very strange, talking to these young women about my situation. It's not that bad. Really, it's not that bad. And basically the outcome after I had the pellets, things got to be a lot better. ED was non-existent, prolonged a lot. We gotten a lot closer, and it's been wonderful. And I would suggest this to anyone. And yeah, you may feel bad at first and you may feel weird at first, but the outcome and the benefits way outweigh however you feel now, especially the closeness that you get with your wife because you're on the same page and you are going through life together. It is nice if both the wife and the husband go at the same time. Reason being is because then you're both charged the same way. I get my pellets reinserted once every 3 to 4 months, depending on what my labs come back as. And it's been great, and I can't say anything else. It's been wonderful. And again, I would highly recommend it, because you may be getting old, but you still have a young mind.